Hey everyone! Welcome to our exciting new series where we transform your everyday meals into culinary delights. Are you tired of boring diet food that tastes like cardboard? Sick of those bland, uninspiring meals that leave you feeling unsatisfied and craving more? Well, get ready to say goodbye to sad salads and bland meals because we're about to change dinner time forever. Imagine vibrant, colorful dishes that not only look amazing but taste incredible too. We've got 10 easy, healthy dinner recipes that are low in calories but packed with flavor. These recipes are designed to make your taste buds dance with joy while keeping your waistline in check. That's right, you can lose weight without giving up tasty food. Imagine enjoying every bite, knowing that it's good for you and helps you reach your health goals. We'll be making some really good food, full of healthy proteins, colorful vegetables, and exciting flavors that will make your mouth happy. Think of juicy grilled chicken, vibrant stir-fried veggies, and zesty sauces that bring everything together. Whether you're a great cook or just starting out, these recipes are simple, easy to follow, and won't keep you stuck in the kitchen all night. You'll be able to whip up these dishes in no time, impressing your family and friends with your culinary skills. So grab your aprons, get your knives ready, and let's start cooking. We're going to make this journey fun and enjoyable, turning every meal into a delightful experience. We're going to show you that healthy food can be a super delicious adventure. Get ready to explore new flavors, try out exciting recipes, and most importantly, enjoy every moment of it. Let's dive in and make some magic in the kitchen. First, we're making a classic dish that's both healthy and delicious: grilled salmon with asparagus and quinoa. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a special occasion. Start with a nice piece of salmon, keep the skin on for extra flavor. The skin helps to keep the fish moist and adds a wonderful crispy texture when grilled. Pour a little olive oil and lemon juice on top and add salt and pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavors of the salmon without overpowering it. Snap off the tough ends of the asparagus, toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Asparagus is a great side because it cooks quickly and pairs well with the salmon. Rinse the quinoa, mix it with water or broth, boil it, then let it simmer until it's soft. Quinoa is a fantastic grain that's high in protein and has a lovely nutty flavor. Heat your grill, put the salmon skin side down, cook for 4-5 minutes on each side. The grill marks will give the salmon a beautiful presentation and a smoky flavor. Grill the asparagus for the last few minutes. This will give them a nice char and enhance their natural sweetness. Fluff the quinoa, put some on each plate, put the salmon and asparagus on top, and add a little more lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a fresh, zesty finish to the dish. There you go, a restaurant-quality meal that's healthy, delicious, and ready in under 30 minutes. Enjoy! This dish is not only nutritious but also visually appealing, making it a great choice for entertaining guests or treating yourself to a gourmet meal at home. Okay, let's try something a bit more fun, shall we? Veggie-stuffed zucchini boats. These are full of flavor and surprisingly filling. Cut the zucchinis in half long ways, scoop out the seeds and the inside. Chop the zucchini insides and add it to the filling for extra flavor. Cook some chopped onion and garlic in a pan, add ground turkey or a vegetarian substitute, and cook until it's brown. Mix in the chopped zucchini, diced tomatoes, dried herbs, salt, and pepper. Spoon the mixture into the zucchini boats. Sprinkle with cheese if you like, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20-25 minutes. These zucchini boats are a great way to eat more vegetables, and they taste amazing. Now, I know you're busy, so this next recipe is super simple: sheet pan chicken and veggies. It's a lifesaver for those hectic days when you just don't have the time or energy to cook a complicated meal. It's perfect for busy weeknights when you need a quick and healthy meal without a lot of dishes. Imagine coming home after a long day and having a nutritious dinner ready in no time, with minimal cleanup. Grab a large baking sheet and put your favorite veggies on it: broccoli, carrots, or even some zucchini if you like. Bell peppers, red onion, and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil, making sure everything is nicely coated, and add salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. Feel free to add any other spices you love, like thyme or rosemary, to give it an extra kick. Season chicken breasts or thighs the same way, making sure they are well coated with the spices, and put them on the baking sheet with the veggies. Arrange everything in a single layer so it cooks evenly. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20-25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender and slightly caramelized. Until the chicken is cooked and the veggies are tender. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making everyone eager to dig in. That's it, a complete and delicious meal with very little work and even fewer dishes. Serve it straight from the baking sheet for a rustic touch. You're welcome. Enjoy! This is a meal that brings everyone together, making dinner time special without the stress. Let's make something hearty and healthy. Turkey and sweet potato skillet. Heat olive oil in a skillet, cook chopped onion until soft. Add ground turkey, cook until brown. Peel and dice a sweet potato. Add it to the skillet. Add chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and low-sodium chicken broth. Simmer for 15-20 minutes until the sweet potato is soft. Stir in chopped fresh cilantro or parsley before serving. This dish is filling, satisfying, and good for you. It's comfort food without the guilt. Let's make a quick shrimp stir-fry with cauliflower rice. Heat a wok or large skillet, add oil and cook shrimp until pink. Take the shrimp out and set it aside. Add cauliflower rice to the same pan, stir-fry with soy sauce. Put the shrimp back in the pan, warm it up. Serve right away, decorated with green onions and sesame seeds. It's a light, low-carb option compared to a regular rice stir-fry. Enjoy! Sometimes you just need a warm bowl of soup, and this lentil soup with spinach and carrots is perfect. Heat olive oil in a large pot. Cook chopped onion and carrots until soft. Add lentils, minced garlic, bay leaves, thyme, and smoked paprika. Pour in vegetable broth, boil it, then simmer for 20-25 minutes. Stir in fresh spinach, let it wilt. Season with salt, pepper, and lemon juice. This soup is hearty, flavorful, and very satisfying. It's the perfect meal for a cold evening. Enjoy! Let's make a classic that's both fancy and easy: baked cod with lemon and Brussels sprouts. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the Brussels sprouts in half, toss with olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Spread them on a baking sheet. Dry the cod fillets, place them on top of the Brussels sprouts. Drizzle the cod with olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Bake for 12-15 minutes until the cod is cooked and the Brussels sprouts are tender. Serve right away, garnished with lemon juice and fresh parsley. It's a light, flavorful, and satisfying meal. Enjoy! Who says salads have to be boring? This chickpea and kale salad with lemon-tahini dressing is anything but. Whisk together tahini, lemon juice, water, olive oil, minced garlic, salt, and pepper for the dressing. Rub the kale leaves with olive oil. Add the kale, chickpeas, cucumber, red onion, and other veggies to a bowl. Pour the lemon-tahini dressing over the salad, toss to coat. Serve immediately or chill to let the flavors mix. It's a refreshing, flavorful, and satisfying salad. Buddha bowls are really popular, and for good reason. They're a delicious and easy way to eat lots of healthy things in one meal. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop sweet potatoes, broccoli, bell peppers, and red onion into bite-sized pieces. Toss with olive oil, salt, pepper, and herbs. Roast for 20-25 minutes until tender and a little bit crispy. Cook quinoa according to package directions. Drain and rinse chickpeas. Whisk together tahini, lemon juice, water, olive oil, minced garlic, salt, and pepper for the dressing. Put the quinoa, roasted veggies, chickpeas, hummus, and dressing in bowls. Enjoy! For our last dish, we're skipping the carbs but keeping all the flavor with these low-carb zoodles with turkey meatballs. Mix ground turkey, grated zucchini, onion, garlic, egg, breadcrumbs, herbs, salt, and pepper. Roll into meatballs, cook in a skillet until brown and cooked through. Take the meatballs out and set them aside. Use a spiralizer to make zoodles or buy pre-made zucchini noodles. Cook zoodles in the same skillet with marinara sauce until heated through. Put the meatballs back in the skillet, toss with the sauce, serve right away with Parmesan cheese and fresh basil on top. It's a low-carb, high-protein, and super delicious meal. Enjoy! There you go. 10 easy, healthy dinner recipes that are perfect if you want to lose weight without giving up flavor. These dishes are full of healthy proteins, colorful veggies, and exciting flavors that will make you feel great. I personally love the shrimp stir-fry. It's so tasty and easy to make after a long day. But honestly, I love all of these recipes. So what are you waiting for? Go to the kitchen and try one of these recipes. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy meal ideas, and tell me in the comments which recipe you want to try most. Now go on, get cooking.